Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to terminate a Cat5 cable. We already have our spool of cable here, and you see we're going to use our UBI gear, or however you say that, UBI gear, pass-through connectors along with our Klein tool, pass-through connector, stripper and cutter and crimper here. So we're going to go ahead and first start off by stripping the outer shield Cat5 cable. Once we've got a good little cut on there, go ahead and eliminate that plastic. Go here, we're going to separate our wires into each group. Separate our blues. You notice here I did take off probably about 2 inches or so, maybe closer to 3 of wiring. It's not really a big deal. I prefer it. You'll see why here in a minute. I personally just find it easier to work with. So while we have our get our orange there, so now we're going to do a 568B, which is we're going to do orange stripe, orange solid.
I'm leaving using the house by itself.
Okay, thank you. Orange stripe, orange, green stripe, blue, blue stripe, green, solid, brown stripe, brown. Most important part is get these flat, and then I massage them out, but I make sure they're flat and I make sure they don't cross over. Very, very important. Go through here. I just work with them, massage them a little bit, get it out as far as you can. Once you get a nice clean inch or 2 gap, get your cutters, make a nice clean line here. You're going to take your connector, go ahead and put that on, slide that through there, double check, orange stripe orange, green stripe blue, blue stripe green, brown stripe brown. It's perfect. 568B. Go ahead and pull those snug, make sure you get the shielding in there too, nice and tight. Dip that through, like crimp down, and then while I got it there, if there's any little tails left, go ahead and do that. And there you go, perfectly terminated 568B Cat5.